Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to detailed recipe, traditional Turkish eggplant kebab recipe. I prepared the kebab video for you in detail. Thank you for watching. Necessary materials: I will use the lamb back meat, 1 kilogram of lamb meat. I chose 5 aubergines, thick and flat eggplants, a large garlic, green pepper. To present these vegetables next to 3 tomatoes, 6 small onions, I will use a big knife. I will use it to prepare a Turkish zirh knife. I will use flat and wide iron kebab skewers. I can use it because my barbecue is suitable for stabbing this bottle vertically. Salt and hot pepper paste. You need to cut and remove the bones in the back of the lamb. You can buy boneless meat and chop it with machine. I cut out the hard parts of the meat. I will use a kilogram of the meat here. As you see, it should not join this very hard texture in food. Meat will be minced with a knife. You need to add it into the bag and freeze it a bit. You do not need this process if you buy lamb as ready as minced meat. I freeze the meat for about 2 hours for easy chopping. I will try to cut the meat in the thinnest way. I cut it with a large Turkish zirh knife and the meat will be chopped. I use fatty parts of meat. If it is low, add animal fat. help your videos reach more people by showing preparation. You can make this video popular by liking. Thanks everyone for support. Meat has become a good mince without being crushed. This meat amount is a little over a kilo. Add the pepper paste in salt into the lamb appetizer and mix thoroughly. You can just do it with salt and pepper. Split eggplants into large equal portions. I divide an eggplant into 4 or 5 pieces. Placement of materials in iron skewers. I add a slice of eggplant in mince. I use more than 200 grams of ground beef for a skewer. The thin skewer is not fixed in rotates when cooked. I opted to use these wide skewers. I have prepared the Turkish eggplant kebabs and now I go to the cooking stage. I use this technique to burn barbecue. I prepare a chimney in wood fragments, pine cones, cardboard materials in fire. I expect that the coals I added to the base will burn and become the core. Garlic, onion, pepper, tomatoes I will cook and prepare them beforehand. Rice and potatoes can be added to side. I will place the eggplant kebabs and cook them slowly by turning them. In my barbecue there are nests where the iron skewers will settle and it stays so stable. It will take about 40 minutes to cook the eggplant kebab. The onions and the garlic are completely cooked in the bottom. These kebabs are cooked for 30 minutes. I prefer slow cooking on low heat. Faster cooking is possible in shorter time. I will add rice to the middle of the plate for 2 people. I add from cooked onions and garlic. I take out eggplant kebabs and add. I add cooked tomatoes and green peppers. Finally, I add dried thyme on top and serve. We come to the end for a detailed video recipe for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. Goodbye, to see you again in a new recipe.